This video is to show you how to set up an all-user retargeting audience in Google Analytics to use in Google Ads for advertising purposes. You will need to have your Google Ads and Google Analytics accounts linked in order to use this audience in Google Ads campaigns. After we complete setup of the audience in Google Analytics, the all-user retargeting audience will allow you to retarget any users who have visited your site within a past period of time that you determine the length of. You can then use Google Ads campaign settings to determine if you want to only advertise to users who have visited your site in the past, or if you simply want to bid higher or lower on retargeted users while still bidding on new users who have not visited your site in the past. After you have logged into your Google Analytics account, you will click on Admin in the lower left corner. From here, under Property, you will click Audience Definitions, Audiences. You will then click the red New Audience button. After that, you will click All Users. And from here, you can determine the length of time that you want to retarget users for. So when this is set to 30 days, what this means is that you are retargeting users who have visited your site within the past 30 days. If you change this to 90 days, you would be retargeting users who have visited your site within the past 90 days. And this is called membership duration. The membership duration is the amount of time that you would like users to be retargeted for after they have visited your site. This can be changed from anywhere from 1 to 540 days. If you would like to add additional criteria to your audience, you would click the pencil icon. From here, you can retarget users based off of their demographics, such as age or gender. You can also retarget users based off of the technology they're using, such as the browser or the device. For example, if you only wanted to retarget users who have visited your site from a mobile device. You can also use behavior in some of the other settings as well. A common one that I use under behavior is session duration. So I might make it so that I'm only going to retarget users who spent longer or greater than 7 seconds on my website, indicating that they were in the right place and that they were looking around on the site and spending a little bit of time there versus bouncing off of the website immediately. For this example, we're just going to do strictly all user retargeting. So we won't apply any additional settings. So right now you see we have all users. I have a membership duration set to 90 days. So I will be retargeting all users who have visited my site within the past 90 days. You will then give your audience a name. And then click Next. From here, you'll add your audience destinations. And it says I have 0 selected currently. So I want to select my Google Ads account and my Analytics account. If you don't see your Google Ads account appear as an option, then you have not linked your Google Analytics and Google Ads accounts together yet, and you will need to do so. After you have clicked your audience destinations of Google Ads and Google Analytics, you would click Publish. If you see here, this says success, which means I have successfully created the audience. From there, I can click back to Audiences page, and you will see the new audience that we just created together. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.